My name is Gerlin Joseph. I am the co-founder and executive director of the Haitian Bridge Alliance, the Black Immigrants Bail Fund, and the Cameroon Advocacy Network. I am here today to address the Haitian community here in the United States. We understand things are very dire at home, and that is why we are in Washington, D.C., working hands in hands with members of Congress to make sure that we get a redesignation of TPS and extension for you. So we are asking to please make sure once we win and we get the redesignation, we get the extension, that you apply immediately so you can get that coverage. For the people who came on the parole, humanitarian parole program, what we call the Biden program, make sure that you too get the extra layer of protection by immediately applying for TPS. So we want to let you know that we are with you, fighting for you on your behalf, and we'll continue to do so until you get all that you deserve. Thank you so much.